Hey friends, this is Latif for Well, and welcome to the new update on Theta and Theta Fuel. A few days back, I just posted few harmonic patterns on the Theta and the Theta Fuel with the Bitcoin and the US dollar pair, where I just predicted that after the formation of some certain harmonic patterns that these coins or tokens are forming, they will take the bullish divergence from the potential reversals on, and they can produce up to 365% bullish rally. And let's have a look what the patterns are doing at this time, how they're behaving. And this is the follow-up video for that video. And first of all, I would like to show you this Theta with Bitcoin pair. And on this chart, I just posted this chart on the 12-hour time period. Sorry, not the 12-hour. This is a 6-hour time period chart. And on this chart, the price action was forming a bullish shark pattern. This is the initial leg. The A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.7618 Fibonacci. Then we have the projection between 1.13 up to 1.61 Fibonacci projection. And this is the projection of A to B leg. This is the second confirmation of bullish shark. Now, the final leg should be entered up to this level. That is the Fibonacci retracement level from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. And I just posted this chart on 1st June, and I'm just playing this idea. Now you can see that the price action moved a little bit down and moved up and now moving sideways, and soon it will complete the leg. At this time it is moving almost down to complete this final leg of this bullish shark pattern. Now if we move to the Theta with US dollar pair, then I posted this idea on 12-hour chart on 31st of May. And I'm just playing this chart now, and we can see that the price action is moving down very well to complete this final leg of this bullish bat pattern. This is the initial leg, and after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci. This is the first confirmation for the bullish bat pattern. Then we have the projection between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. Projection of A to B leg. This is the second confirmation. Now the final leg should be entered up to this level, that is from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. Now let's move to the Tfuel, the Theta Fuel chart, and this is the Theta Fuel with Bitcoin pair. I posted this chart on the 12-hour. And this was also published on 31st of May on the Tradingview. And this is the final leg is being completed of this bullish bat pattern. This is the same as like the previous pattern we have seen, that Theta with US dollar pair, that that is forming a bullish bat pattern, and the Theta Fuel with Bitcoin pair is forming a bullish bat pattern. Now I'm just playing this chart, and we can see that the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone now. At this time, we have a spike up to 73 satoshis, and this potential reversal zone starts from 73 satoshis. So at this time, it is just entered in this potential reversal zone, and as per Fibonacci sequence, I have set the sell targets from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. I will also mention these targets in the video's description as well. However, if you have account on the Tradingview, you can visit my profile on the Tradingview. I have posted all the charts there, and you can find the exact targets there. If you don't have account on the Tradingview, no problem. You can create your free account there. I have shared my referral link in the video's description as well. You just need to click on that link, and after when you will be on the Tradingview, then definitely you will be able to watch my all charts, and you will be also able to play my charts like I'm playing at this time to show you the real-time situation of the price action, how it is behaving. And I'm also sharing my Binance exchange referral link in the video's description. If you don't have account on the Binance, then you can create your free account there. In my point of view, to trade Theta and Tfuel, the Binance is the best exchange because it has the largest trade volume of almost every cryptocurrency. Now let's move to the Tfuel or Theta Fuel with US dollar pair. And this chart I posted on the 6-hour time frame. And on this chart, the price action is forming the final leg of bullish shark pattern. This is the initial leg. A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci. Then we have the Fibonacci projection. This is a projection of A to B leg up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection level. I've just ignored this extra little bit spike, and after that the price action is completing the final leg of this bullish shark pattern, and it should be entered up to this level from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. I'm just playing this chart now, and you can see that the price action went a little bit down and moved up, and again it is moving down to complete this final leg of this bullish shark. And these are the targets, these are the sell targets, and these are the buying targets. So this chart has the potential to produce up to 216% profit. I have also mentioned the profit potential ratio with every chart on my Tradingview account, and I'm also sharing all the targets here in the video's description as well. Now let's move to the live chart and see the position of the moving averages. This blue one is the 25 simple moving average, this green one is the 50, and this red one is the 100, and this black one is the 200 simple moving averages. And first of all, we are gonna see the Theta Fuel with US dollar pair, and that chart I posted on 12-hour time period, 6-hour time period. And let's switch this chart to the 6-hour time period. Then we can see that the 25 simple moving average has crossed down the 50 and the 100 simple moving average, and now moving down to form the death cross with 200 simple moving averages. All the moving averages are turning bearish, and once this 50 simple moving average will cross down this 200 simple moving average, that will be a very strong bearish sign. Therefore, I would suggest you to set your stop loss point at the maximum extent of the potential reversal zone. If you have any stop loss strategy for yourself, for your trading, then you can use your own strategies. However, in the harmonic trading, you can set your stop loss here at the maximum extent of the potential reversal zone. Now let's move to the Theta with US. That was the US dollar pair. Now let's move to the Theta with Bitcoin pair. That chart I posted on the 12-hour time period. Therefore, I'm just switching this chart to the 12-hour time period. And on this live chart, we can see that the 25 simple moving average is going to form the death cross with the 50 simple moving average. Then it can form the death cross with the 100 as well. And definitely these death crosses will produce more and more bearish move, the downward moves. And definitely if we will have the death cross between the 50 and the 200, that will be a very much strong bearish downward move. Now let's move to the Theta with US dollar pair. This was a Theta Fuel with Bitcoin pair. Now I'm going to the Theta with US dollar pair, and I posted that chart on the 12-hour time period. Therefore, we will check the position of the moving averages of Theta with US dollar pair on the 12-hour chart. And this is the same, almost same position we have. Even at this chart, the 25 simple moving average has formed a death cross with the 50 simple moving average, and moving more down to form the death cross with the 100 simple moving average. That can produce more bearish rally that can lead the price action to enter in the potential reversal zone very soon. And if we move to the Theta with Bitcoin pair that I posted on the 6-hour chart, therefore I'm just switching to the 6-hour chart, and that is the Theta with Bitcoin pair. Then on this chart, we have the same kind, even more bearish scenario, that the 50 simple moving average has crossed down the 100 simple moving average. The 25 simple moving average has already crossed down the 50 and the 100 simple moving average. And now it is moving down to form the death cross with 200 simple moving averages as well. Now let's move to the next chart, to the daily chart, to see the different indicators and oscillators, how they are behaving on the daily chart. First of all, I would like to show you the Theta Fuel with Bitcoin pair. and we can see that the RSI was in overbought zone. Now it is entered in the body and it is moving down. It has more capacity to move down more to enter in the oversold zone, and the momentum indicator has turned on this daily chart very strong bearish. And if we watch the moving average convergence divergence indicator, that is a MACD indicator, then it is strong. It was strong bearish. At this time it is turned weak bearish. However, if we watch the moving averages of this MACD indicator, then it is too much, and that is a clear indication for a strong bearish signal. And if we watch this balance of power, then it is down in the favor of bears. Now let's move to the Theta Fuel with US dollar pair. On the daily chart, we can see that we have almost the same position of all the indicators. Here the MACD is still strong bearish. In the previous Theta with Bitcoin pair, we have seen that the histogram of the MACD indicator was weak bearish, but in this situation of Theta with US dollar pair, it is strong bearish. So we can expect that with the Bitcoin pair, it will be turned strong bearish. Now let's move to the Theta with US dollar pair. On this daily chart, we can see that we have almost a same kind of situation. The RSI is moving down, and still it has more capacity to move more down to enter in the oversold zone. And the momentum is strong bearish, and it was the MACD indicator was strong bearish. Now it is turned weak bearish, but still the moving averages of this MACD indicator are giving very strong bearish signals, and the balance of power is moved down in the favor of bears. Now let's move to the Theta with Bitcoin pair. On this daily chart, we have the same situation of the Theta with Bitcoin pair. So it means that these coins will be turned more bearish to enter and to complete the final legs of these patterns that are formed on the different time periods, like on 6-hour or 12-hour. I have shared all the charts on the Tradingview. So this was the update so far, and definitely these coins have the potential to produce really very big profits. However, the stop loss is very much important, as I have told you that you can set your stop loss here at the maximum extent of this potential reversal zones or the buying zones that I have defined as per Fibonacci sequence of each pattern, or if you have your own strategy, you can use that. So this was the update so far by the Theta and Theta Fuel as well with the US dollar and the Bitcoin pair. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel, do share my videos, and do share your comments with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.